Jiahua machine KMM-S530 automatic aluminum profile machining center with sawing laser. Total machine length, 780 millimeters. Equipped with automatic loading system, capable of placing 8 profiles simultaneously and completing the loading process automatically. Automatic clamping system for secure and stable operation. Laser drilling and milling system for precise hole processing. High-precision drilling and milling system for accurate and efficient processing. High-precision cutting saw for clean and precise cuts. Supports both 90-degree and 45-degree cutting for versatile processing. Automatic tracking system that completes feeding, cutting, and unloading tasks seamlessly. Automatic unloading system for efficient and safe material handling. Automatic labeling system for quick identification and tracking. Automatic recycling system for efficient material recovery and waste reduction. Our machine can automatically complete various processes for aluminum door and window production, including glue injection holes, pinholes, corner protector cuts, lock rod process holes, lock box holes, drainage holes, handle holes, center mullion marking, and more. Choose Jiahua machine, choose expertise and reliability.